Okay, find an equation of the line satisfying the conditions. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. That is going through point -5 and -2 and is perpendicular to this given line. So we have a reference line and a point. We want to write the equation of the line here. Okay, like I said, your participation counts for attending. So I want to know who can give me an idea how to solve this problem. What would be a first step, anyone? Anybody can click on your microphone, see who can do that first, starting now. What would be the first step, anyone? Okay, go on.
You want to add 5x to both sides and divide by 2.
In other words, we're going to solve for y then. Is that what you're trying to do?
Correct.
Right.
And that would be divided by negative.
Right. So look at, try to answer like in the general steps so everybody can follow it. So exactly, we're going to look at the reference line here, minus 5x minus 2y equals 27. We want to find the slope of this reference line. To find the slope of this reference line, one way would be to write it in terms of y is equal to mx plus b. I worked that out in advance for you. Let's take a look at that. If I follow your suggestion, you're right, you add 5 to both sides of the equation, and then you divide each term by -2. You notice that you can write this as y is equal to mx plus b. In this case, your m, or slope is -5/2. Now, if two lines are perpendicular, can somebody tell me what's the relationship between their slope? Anybody?
For that question again, I'm sorry.
If two lines are perpendicular, what is the relationship for their slope?
It's negative and it's inverse.
It's called negative and reciprocal of each other. Negative. So if the slope of the reference line is -5/2, the slope of the line I'm looking for would be negative and reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5/2 would be 2/5. Opposite of that would be plus 2/5. So the slope of the line I'm looking for would be 2/5, and I know a point, so I can use slope-intercept formula to write the equation of the line. You could use point-slope formula also, but I think slope-intercept formula would be easier. So that's all I have to do now is take this point P and call it point P, and the first number here corresponds to x, second one corresponds to y. We substitute those values here for x and y. We already know the slope. Then you can easily solve for b or y-intercept. Okay, that should be easy, right? You can, in this case, when you reduce them, that becomes simply -2. And then if you add 2 to both sides of the equation, you get b is equal to 0. So y is equal to mx plus b would equal to y is equal to 2/5x plus 0, or just simply y is equal to 2/5x. And it looks like B is the correct answer here for this one.